Jerry, first of all, thank you so much for showing the YouTubers this video today, because
No,
this is
it's
very
all right.
impressive. Thank you.
I don't know how impressive it is, but we'll try it anyway. I'm just basically going to go through how Siri helps me throughout the day. So the first thing, probably the most important thing, is to wake you up in the morning. So I'll show you how I use Siri. Now Siri's very simple. You just have to press the home button and hold it until you're finished talking, and then let go, and Siri will talk back to you. And if you're a particularly lonely person like me, you can enjoy talking to Siri whenever you want. Wake me in 30 seconds.
Okay, I set an alarm for 4:19 p.m.
I'm just hurrying up the volume there, Miriam, so you can hear it a bit better.
Thank you.
So the alarm should go off now, and I'll just keep talking for 20 seconds. And, there's the alarm going.
They're waking up now, Jerry.
Waking up. So there's the first thing. You don't need a clock anymore. Use your Siri and your alarm. Okay?
And this is built into the iPhone, Jerry, is it?
Built into the iPhone. Now I just turned it off, or you could snooze for 10 minutes if you wanted to either.
And what does snooze do, Jerry? Can you just explain to the viewers what snooze would do?
If you tap snooze just for 10 minutes, it'll leave you snooze, and then it'll wake you up again then.
Okay, all right. Okay. Thank you for that, Jerry. That was great. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Never sleep it out again now.